I dressed up again today to tell you a story about fishing and how that relates to the bear market stocks and bonds had last year. See, I'm not much of a fisherman. I borrowed these clothes. But it's a memory of fishing with my daughter Samantha when she was 5 that tells me something about the market. See, there was this time we went camping at a lake with another family. The father, Mike, well, he actually knew how to fish. Samantha was really excited to make her first ever catch. Later that evening, they're admiring the catch laid out on the table. Mike points out that they were all rainbow trout and mentioned that it would be nice to have some brook trout. My little girl looked confused and said, "There's more than one kind of trout?" "Sure," he says. "There's brook trout, rainbow trout, brown trout. There's several kinds of trout." Now Samantha, always the thinker, looks back at the table and states, "I see. So rainbow trout are the stupid ones." She didn't know that the lake was stocked with rainbow trout. I tell you that story to discuss how investment managers performed during the bear market of 2022. You see, the best managers have a defined philosophy for how they choose their investments. Philosophy determines performance, and managers of like philosophy perform similarly. For instance, all managers that focus on technology stocks likely performed poorly last year. That doesn't necessarily mean the companies are bad or that the manager was stupid. It just means that the lake they were fishing in had only one kind of fish. Our philosophy is more diversified and focuses on companies that pay and regularly raise their dividend. We had a great year as most clients were 10 points ahead of the market. Unfortunately, when I recorded this, the market was down 16 points. Best of all, though, the income from our rising dividend stocks was up significantly. Again, it's really not that we're geniuses, well, maybe Chris, but because all rising dividend managers did well. What am I saying? There are no other rising dividend managers. Well, I do know of one, and I think they had a good year too. The philosophy works. It's not impossible to think that one day we may find ourselves on someone's kitchen counter, but for now, we're swimming in the sun, and we're one of very few in the pond. We'd love to have you join us.